Hey everyone, it's Karen from Be Green Bath & Body, and today I'm here to talk to you about our toners. We have 4 different toners that are available for different skin types. The one I have today with me is the Refreshing Rose Toner. That's for dry, mature skin. We have a Healthy Skin Toner that's for normal skin or sensitive skin. And we have a Carrot Toner that works well with sensitive skin. And we have a Ylang Toner that's great for oily, acneic skin. All the toners have a base of alcohol-free witch hazel and organic rose hydrosol. And then they have essential oils that are beneficial for each skin type. So the Rose Toner has essential oils of rose geranium and myrrh and carrot. So it has a little bit of, I guess you could say the rose geranium scent. It's not the same kind of rose as the rose bush in your yard. It's a different scent. It's a little bit more earthy than that. So the way to use the toners is to first give it a good shake. Make sure the essential oils get mixed up. And then I like to use a cotton pad with the toners. We do also have a spray cap available by request. Some people just like to spritz their face, and that's fine. I just prefer to use a cotton ball. So why do I use toner? So I use toner to remove any leftover impurities on my skin after cleansing. There might be a little makeup left over. If you don't use makeup, there might be some pollutants or toxins left on your skin. And in the morning, I use it as my cleanser, or I should say in place of a cleanser. And I just, what I do is I just put a little amount, just very little squirt onto the cotton pad. And then I just gently go around my skin, around my face, looking to remove any other makeup or impurities. Sometimes I've missed a few things. More so in the morning, I'll notice that the cotton pad will be have a little dirt on it from what I excreted, my skin excreted overnight. So that's all there is to toner. It's a really great step. It's not 100% necessary. I really like it. I feel like it prepares my skin for moisture. I like to use, in the morning, I'll use our day cream for normal, dry, mature skin. And to use that, just take a pump. I really only need 1 pump for the whole face. It does really feel good. It goes really well after the toner. And if it's nighttime, I like to use the Regenerative Night Cream, and I also use the Dry Mature for that as well. And again, you just need a single pump. So if you have any questions about toner, we do have a blog post on the importance of toners. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me, support@begreenbathandbody.com. Thank you.